My passion is riding a horse. My hobby is riding a horse. These two sentences are very common, and I find that we guys use these sentences very frequently. But sometimes I think some guys are confused regarding the use of these two sentences. If you are confused regarding the usage of these two sentences, means you are confused regarding the usage of the two words, and the first word is passion and the second one is hobby. If you have such type of problem, means this lecture is going to be very beneficial to you, because in this session I am going to talk about these two words. Means I am going to make your concept clear regarding the usage of these two words. So if you want to get your concept clear, you have to be with me till the end of this session, because till the end of session you will have found that your concept has been cleared through this lecture. These two words, passion and hobby, look similar, but I want to inform you that these two words are not similar. There are some differences between these two words, but today I am going to make your concept 100% clear regarding the usage of these two words. Before moving on, I would like to tell you the Hindi meaning of these words. Do you know what are the Hindi meanings of these two words? The Hindi meaning of passion is junoon, and as far as the word hobby is concerned, the Hindi meaning of this word is शौक. Perhaps you know what are the differences between शौक and junoon, but today, through examples, I am going to make your concept clear. I will give different types of examples, and through examples, your concept will be clear. So you have to be with me till the end of this. When you say your passion is riding a horse, this statement shows that your energy level is very high. Sometimes passion becomes dangerous. Do you know why does it happen that? Because when you do work which is accordingly your passion, means your energy level is at optimum, and you want to do that work at any cost. But in the case of hobby, the case is different. When you say my hobby is riding a horse, it shows that your energy level is high, but it is not as high as in the case of passion. So passion and hobby have different energy levels. You have to choose. You have to say passion, and you have to choose. You have to say hobby. When you say that my passion is dancing, and you say that my hobby is dancing, these are two different things. When you say my passion is dancing, means at any cost you want to dance. What happened, it's not a matter, dancing is everything to you. But when you say my hobby is dancing, it shows that whenever you have time, you are free, you want to enjoy, you go for dancing. So you have to make your concept clear regarding the usage of these two words, passion and hobby, in this way. When you are crazy for anything, I think only in that case you can say that my passion is something. Suppose that you say that riding a bike is your passion. This statement shows that at any cost you want to ride a bike. Means you can miss any work to ride a bike. If your craziness is not at optimum level, means you cannot use this statement, my passion is riding a bike. You should never forget one thing more, that sometimes your passion becomes dangerous, because when the level of your craziness increases and it reaches to optimum, sometimes very possible you go to make your balance lose. So that's why it's important for you to keep your passion under control, otherwise you will have to quit for it. Word hobby is very polite. Means when you say that my hobby is riding a bike, this statement shows that your riding a bike is not the most essential work for you. Means you cannot miss your important works for this. Hobby means what? Whenever we have chance to enjoy ourselves and we have free times, we have no essential works, we can do that work to enjoy ourselves and to be happy. So hobby is a polite word, but as far as the word passion is concerned, it is a very hard word. In the case of hobby, there is no chance of losing our mental balance. Do you know? Because here craziness is not at optimum level, it is at bottom level. So ladies and gentlemen, I think that through this video lecture, you have understood well the usage of these two words, and I hope that from today you will not get any type of confusion regarding the usage of these two words. So I hope that you must use these words in